Well, there it is. The Segway X260 showed up yesterday. Put it together today, and thought just give it a walk around at the beginning here. Of course, from China. This is probably one of the ones that made it in just before all the coronavirus panic went on, and everybody else is probably waiting for theirs. But this one got through. I was probably one of the early ones on Kickstarter. A little bit of a discount on there. But I don't know, first impressions, yeah, it's a Chinese e-bike. E-motorcycle. Well, it's not a motorcycle, it's a bike. It's tiny. Tiny. It's probably about the size of like an 85 two-stroke. If you look, there's my 300. There's a CT70, and this is just a little bit bigger than that. So needless to say, my 6'3" frame is gonna look awfully ridiculous on this thing. Maybe I'll extend the seat or raise the bars, or just give it to my son. But I don't know. It's okay. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna ride it, but the tires are 19-inch. These are 7100. I don't even. They look like no-name cheapo tires. But it's probably decent build quality. The motor, battery look really nice. Suspension components, those forks, probably about the cheapest forks you can get. I don't know. They're single air cylinder on one side, a spring on the other. I got preload all the way up, and they're just really mushy. I don't know. We'll see. I did take it for a spin. It will hit 40 mile an hour plus, even with my 200-pound butt on it. But that's on the street. I seriously doubt the suspension's going to handle any kind of speed on rough stuff with me on it. But we'll see. The Suron guys look good, but I think this is basically, I don't know if there's anything different between this and a Suron other than these Segway stickers. Nice big battery. I think it's like a 34 amp hour battery, 60 volts. So it says it'll do 70 miles if you keep it on Econo. I haven't tested that yet. Good sized charger. There's a 10 amp charger, so it should charge that battery up in 3-4 hours, theoretically. Chain brakes are disc brakes, but they are, it's all mountain bike stuff, and really not even top of the line mountain bike stuff. I don't see sort of no name components on here. I did gonna have to get used to rear brake on the left hand again. I had a Recluse that was like that, but I keep wanting to jump on the foot brake, but there isn't anything down there. We'll see. Well, I'm gonna take it out to the desert after it dries up a little bit. See what it can do. But right now, it looks like this one turns out to be just a big toy. I don't think it's gonna do much, but maybe it'll surprise me. I'm going to take it on some of the same trails you've seen me ride the big 300 on, and see how it handles. I mean, the one thing is it's like 120 pounds, so you should be able to thrash it if the suspension can keep up, and maybe I'll scoot around. So I'm going to take it on, some 2-track, take it on out the rolls, and then gonna see if I can do a small section of single track, see if it handles incline and all. But it was peppy, but it's no dirt bike. It is quite a bit more peppy than my e-bike. I have a juiced Cross Current S that I ride to work, and that'll do 30 miles an hour if I'm humping the pedals. But this thing got up over 40. I think I hit 45 on it. And for most of the trail work I do out in the desert, we're not going that fast on the single track, so maybe it'll work. If not, I'll ship it up to Colorado and let my son play with it. All right, so there it is. Just put it together. Watch for a couple videos. I'll take it out in the Arizona desert and see how it works here in the next week or two. See ya.